So we'll start with 19A. I'm not waiting for everyone because then it will take a lot of time. We are time bound. So we'll start. I'll put my headphone. Okay. So the very first sum of auxiliary, this we have done, but I'm just going through again just in case if you have forgotten it. This you have to draw at 45 degree. Right, and this is a front view. All of you know how to draw this much, right? There is no issue. This is A, B, C, D. This is A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash. And this is X, Y. Got it? This height is 65. And this dimension is 30. And this angle is 45, 45. See, the distance of XY to D is 10 mm. You can take whatever you want. So first you need to draw this. Any doubt in this? Anyone has any doubt in how to draw this? See, in exam, board exam, you will get this much. They will give you this much. Then you need to draw x1, y1 anywhere, which is inclined at 45 degrees. Okay. And remember, this is in term 2. This is not in term 1 portion. Just in case if you have any query, which you feel which I can address, later on I can do it. So all of you draw this much. Recording. So now in this, what we need to do, we need to draw 45 degree like this from here. Why 45 degree? Because we always want this 90 degree. If this is 45 with horizontal, so this also 45. If this is 30, then this will be 60. Always remember, it will be always 90. ये होता है ना triangle उसके हिसाब से, right? So you draw 45 degree from here and you name this point as C. I'm just showing you one line. Then XY to C, whatever distance you have in your compass, you take in your compass XY to C, and from here you cut on this side, you'll get C. So whatever distance you have here from XY to C, the same distance from X1, Y1 to C. Got it? So this you should keep in mind. Then again you draw line from here, 45 degree. Then again you draw 45 degree from here. Got it? So this is BD. This is for your reference. Why I'm writing A, B, C, D. This is for your reference. Then you take XY to A. And from here you cut on this side. You'll get A. XY to D. XY to B. This way. This is how you will get. like this. Got it? All of you got this? Now we need to follow the same procedure down also. Here also we'll take 45 degree. Again, XY to C, whatever distance you have, this again will mark C. And you can mark here. Or you can draw parallel line from here. 45 degree का set square रख के, if you keep your 45 degree set square, na, you can draw line from C. Wherever to cut, that is C. Then again you draw line from BD and A, right? So this is A, and remember this naming is not important. Huh? XY to A, it is only for your reference I'm writing. So initially you can write, once you feel confident, XY to D, see this distance. So XY to D, or you draw parallel line, both are same, XY to B, and you B from here. So this is how you will get. What you need to do, you need to join this also. So in this case, in prism, top and bottom will be same. Then what you need to do, you need to join boundary line also. Now we need to see dark and dotted. What is dark? What is dotted? For that, what I need to do, I need to first mark all the extreme boundary. See this. I need to mark all the extreme boundary like this. Now I don't know which one is dark, which one is dotted. So when I see from here, A dash is nearer to me. So the line passing through this top wala A will be always dark. So all the line passing through this will be dark. Got it? And this is the away. The observer will see from here, right? This is nearer to you. This is away from you. So this is dotted. Done. So we are done with auxiliary top view. What do you mean by auxiliary top view? It is additional top view. Next to top view, right? Additional top view. What do you mean by auxiliary? Additional. So this is what we need to draw for the first sum. So now we'll do sum number 2, where we have hexagon. If you see hexagon is there, hexagon of side 25, height 65. So first you will draw vertical line. How to draw hexagon? First you draw vertical line. Okay. Then you take distance. Take this to this distance and you cut here. This to this distance and cut here. You draw circle. O to this. This is how you will draw hexagon. Like this. So this is, let's say A, this is B. So then take A to B. See, take A to B, rotate. B to A, rotate. Wherever it will cut, that is O. O to B, and you draw circle. Then you, from A, you cut down. Side will be equal to AB. From B, you will cut up. From here, you cut on right side. From here, you cut on this side. So you get hexagon. आपको ऐसा hexagon बनेगा. ऐसा. This is how you will get hexagon. All of you got this? How to draw hexagon? एंड फ्रंट में आपको क्या मिलेगा? ऐसा रेक्टेंगल मिलेगा. ये देखो. This is how you have to draw. Sorry. All of you got this? Then we'll do dimensioning. I don't know why my pen is lagging today. This is 25, 65, and this is XY. Okay, so this is 65. So draw this much first. Then what is this angle? This angle is 30 degree. This x1, y1 is 30 degree. So I said, now, if this is 30 degree, so then the other angle will be at what angle? If this is 30, can any one of you answer that? This is A, B, C, D, E, F. Naming, I'm doing it for my reference. You can also do. It is good to do naming. However, few people, they discourage, but I will encourage that naming is good. Tell me, how much should be this angle? Any idea, anyone? 60. Why? I said, no, 90 degree. If this is 30, then how much should be this? 60. All of you got this? So can we follow the same method? Can we try what we are getting in this? Are you all with me? Those who are present? Krisha, are you understanding better?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So complete this. After this, you see, you take 60 degree like this. Then you have to draw again one more 60 degree and one more 60 degree. It will be somewhat like this. Same method, xy to b. See, this is AB, this is CF, this is ED. So xy to b, you cut b over here. Xy to A, you cut A over here. Xy to C, you cut C over here. Xy to F, you cut F over here. Xy to D, you cut D over here. Xy to E, you cut E over here. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F. Got it? This is how you will get hexagon. Got it? Same way, then we'll project this bottom one. This is also 60, 60, 60. And if I'm not wrong, this will overlap. My case, it is not overlapping. Wait. Draw it again or something like that. Or I'll just change throw about line. I can't change that much because it won't look nice. But yeah, so when you're doing it, and make sure that it is 60 degree and it will overlap. Like this line is somewhere from here, this will go inside. So when I'll draw, I'll show you this way. Okay. I'm drawing this line slightly inside. This line slightly inside. In this also, we will project xy to b. So b, xy to a. So we get a, xy to c. So we get c, xy to f. We get f, xy to d. We get d. Xy to e, you get e. It will come inside. Again, all this line we will join with straight line. So when you're doing this, see, it will be this way. And this, now we need to see which is dark, which is dotted. So always remember, extreme boundary will be dark. See, draw all the boundaries dark, like this. this way. Got it? Then A and B is nearer to the observer. Na? From here, if you see, this is nearer to the observer. So line passing through A and B will be dark. And the behind one would be dotted like this. Like this. This way it will come. Understood? All of you understood? So all of you understood how to draw pentagon. I'll explain you in again. You draw a line, then you take 54 degree. This angle is 54. Wherever it will cut, that is O. This is A, this is B. Take O to A and draw a circle. Then you take side AB, and from B you cut here, from A you cut here, and from here you cut here, and from here you cut here. This is how you will get pentagon. Got it? Then you will draw rectangle like this. So I want you to draw this much. Sorry. You can draw 72-degree method also. If you are not comfortable with this method, what you can do, you can draw a line, then you take 72 degree on both the sides with a protractor again. But you have to keep protractor like this, vertical. Then you take this side, and from here you cut on this side, from here you cut on this side, from here you cut on this side, from here you cut on this side. So when you do this, you'll get a pentagon. Got it? This way also you can manage. Then what we need to do, we need to draw what angle? 60 degree. Now they want 60 degree. This angle they want 60 degree. If this is 60, now tell me how much would be the other angle? If this is 60, the other angle would be at what? Any idea? Any one of you? 30.
30.
Yes, correct. 30. So you draw line like this. This is AB. Same method. XY to A, cut here. XY to B, cut here. Same method. Same. So if you keep on doing this, okay. This is CED. This is AB, C, and D. So take XY to E, cut here, and cut here. Same method. See why I'm doing this, because now you know how it will look like, right? When you will draw. Then what you need to do, you need to draw extreme boundary. So you need to draw extreme boundary.
So for the pentagon, we have to take 54 degrees, right?
Yeah, this angle is 54. This is how it will come. Now when I see from here, this point is nearer to me, D. So this will be down. This will be down. And the remaining part, the inside one, these two lines will be dotted. So the line passing through that, A and B, will be dotted. This is how it will appear. It will give you a nice 3D effect. अच्छा दिखेगा. ठीक है? So try this. If you have any query, let me know. I'm here only. I'll just stop the recording for a minute.
Okay, so I think
See what how we should go about this. I'll repeat. See this point is important. So from here to here is A, right? So same is here. See xy and x1 y1, it is same, right? So So whatever distance is xy to A, same distance I need to cut from x1 to A. Same way xy to B. So x1, y1 to B. Got it? This is how you will draw. This is C, this is D, and this is E. Same method down also. This is for the top portion. This is for the lower portion. Try and send it to me.
So,
Yes.
so the angle was not 30 degrees. I accidentally took it as 60 degrees. I'll have to do it again, right?
Yeah, that's what I
Okay,
said.
sir.
Now, मतलब
Yeah.
चलेगा. Correct है, concept correct है, but only thing is it's not according to this. Aditi, this pentagon will do, huh? चलेगा, आप आगे बढ़ो.
Okay, sir.
2-3 बार प्रैक्टिस करो, हो जाएगा अच्छा. Yeah, Krisha, it is correct. Only thing, the way you have taken the photo is थोड़ा टेढ़ा. That's why it looks टेढ़ा. Otherwise, it's correct.
Okay, sir.
Now we can start the next wala, circle wala.
So when I'm doing the 72-degree one, so the third line of the rectangle will be where? Sir?
See, you draw AB, then this is equal to AB only, na? This is E,
Yes. Sir.
this is D. Then you draw horizontal line, and then you draw vertical line passing through E, and ऐसे आएगा ना 3 line.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah, Krisha, it is correct. Huh? No need to worry.
Sir,
Sorry. From down you take 45, 45, 45, 45 degrees. So you take 45, 45, 45 like this, right? Again, same method. This is E. E wala line, no? This is E. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What you can do again, you take X, Y to E and you cut. It will be in the same line. Even if you take your set square and if you draw a line, you will get all the points. आप यहाँ से ऐसे एक्सटेंड करोगे और जहाँ पे कट हो जाएगा एक दो सम करोगे तो आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा कि जो ऊपर होता है वो नीचे भी सेम ही होता है. You don't have to worry that much. This is how you will get the lower part. Lower part bhi I'm just joining it. Okay. Now which one will be dark? Which one will be dotted? तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? What we will do? We will draw extreme boundary पहले तो. Now where is observer? Observer is here. He will see from here, so he can see this part very clearly. This part very clearly. So this part will be dark. What I have done black, no? That is correct. Then extreme boundary will be dark. See this extreme boundary will be dark. This will be dark. This will be dark. See this. And this inside part, this part is away from observer, ना दूर है. जो दूर है, that will be dotted. हो गया, complete.